Point to the Mexican border and out miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. The current time is 11:30
Finally!
Pacific Daylight Time.
Finally, SGX.
This is NOAA weather radio.
These ones did not activate.
Serving the
Typical
and the Riverside County
Eton move.
24 hours a day from the National
Well,
Weather
that's
Service office in San Diego,
that's
California.
that. So yeah,
Forecast for Imperial County.
these two didn't activate. So
Today,
the alert looks activated.
highs 81 to
Sanjian activated for once. Oh well.
northwest
Guess that's
winds
that.
5 to 10 miles an hour.
See y'all in the next video.
Coming northeast in